Hello, I am Rajendra Gewali and I am here for Deerwalk Weekly Hike Update. We were 7 hikers in total. Vijay Gauli, Mukesh Chaudhary, myself Rajendra Prasad Gewali, Rajesh Prajapati, Sajana Sakya, Subhash Thakuri, and Swayambhu Shrestha. We started our hike with the blessings of Lord Vishnu at Budanilkantha temple. The traditional marriage ceremony welcomed us near Ranbam Barracks from where we entered Sivapuri National Park. The hike was from Budanilkantha to Sundarijal, passing Nanki Gumba, Bagdwar and Chisapani. The path from Budanilkantha to Nanki Gumba was not too difficult.
हामी अब नागी गुम्बाको नजिक नजिक आइपुगेका छौं।
As we reached the Gumba, we could see the scenic beauty of the valley in front of us.
नागी गुम्बामा आएर मुकेश क्यान्डी क्रस खेल्दैछन्। उसको एउटा अर्को लेभल कटाउने रेकर्ड राख्ने सुर छ नागी गुम्बामा बसेर।
Then we left for Bagdwar, passing a difficult trail with varieties of natural vegetation to view along the way.
Room. It looks beautiful. Somebody is taking picture.
We were hungry by the time and had some dry food which we had to take to energize us for the walk.
I am feeling very tired. So we are near to Bagdwar. रुखहरु काटेर त जम पारेको छ। कुन यस्तो गर्छ यार? गरम एकदम तिमीले राख्न तुम छोरा साइडमा
Vijay is trying to fly, you see here?
एकछिन हावामा छोड्दिनु यसो फाल्दिनु
Suddenly, we got to experience amazing changes of nature with fog moving through us and everything turned dark and invisible. We reached Bagdwar, which is the origin of Bagmati river.
And guys are worshipping temple. The cave is too dark here. Yeah, this is Bagdwar and this is
This is extracting water from Bagdwar.
Extracting?
no, not by that.
Where the? Bidar. बाघको मुखको सेवा श्री गोविन्दनाथ भारती मेरो नाम पनि हो ठकुरी रहेछ ल कृष्ण बमल्ल ए ठकुरी कति धेरै रहेछ
This is the origin of Bagmati river.
The tea was like Amrit for us after that long difficult walk.
बल्ल पुग्यो After a long walk, we have reached this Manegaon here.
Then the adventure actually began. A lot of leeches waiting us on our way. We all were afraid of them and couldn't stop even for a while, though we were too tired to walk. This part was the most exciting among all.
Vijay is frightened here. Let's see some circus here. Yeah.
अब म चाहिँ कसरी जाने
त्यहाँ आउँछ नि त एउटा ल्याकेर मैले त्यहाँ त खुट्टै गाड्छ के कहाँ झर्दैन
At the end of the day, we reached Chisapani and spent the night there. This was another day with sudden changes in the weather, making the hike more exciting.
Hello, my name is Subhash Sahatakure. This time I am coordinating this hike.
Hey, my name is Swimbu. I'm almost wet. The weather is challenging us, but we are continuing our hike.
Hello everyone, I'm Vijay Gauli and we are really having a great time here.
Hello, my name is Rajesh. I'm just enjoying the hike and it's one of the most adventurous hike of my life. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mukesh Chaudhary.
Hello, I'm Sadhna Sakhi. This is my first hike from Goa and it's totally awesome.
Hello, I'm Rajendra Gewali and I'm really enjoying this hike. It's really adventurous a lot. This is one of my best hike. There were really a lot of things to enjoy and learn from this hike. Thank you.
Finally, the 53 km of walk ended at Sundarijal, refreshing each of us.